Okay, so page 209, number 10a, we're going to solve this by completing the square. We already have our equation set equal to 0, so now we just follow the steps of completing the square. Factor out the number in front of the x squared. 18x divided by 3 gives me 6x and minus 2. Six divided by 2 is 3, squared is 9. Okay, remove the negative 9 from the brackets by multiplying it by negative 3. So we end up with x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 27 minus 2 equals 0. Okay, last step for completing the square is we factor our perfect square trinomial. And the two factors are x plus 3 and x plus 3. Negative 27 minus 2 gives us negative 29 equals 0, and now we can write this in vertex form. Okay, x plus 3 times x plus 3 is the same thing as x plus 3 squared minus 29. Okay, at this point, because we have it set equal to 0, we can solve for x. Okay, when we're rearranging an equation, remember you always do BEDMAS in the reverse order if you're solving for a variable. So I'm going to start with addition, subtraction. I'm going to move this 29 over to the other side. So I get 3 times x plus 3 squared equals positive 29. Okay, then I do division multiplication. So at this point, we're going to divide by 3 to get rid of this a value here. (29 over 3 doesn't divide evenly, so we just leave it as a fraction. Okay, you don't want to round the decimal off. Now at this point, we deal with exponents and brackets. Okay, I've got a squared here. How do I cancel that out? We take the square root. So square root this side to get rid of that, and then we square root this whole thing. So x plus 3 equals plus or minus square root of 29 over 3. Last step, we move that 3 over now that we've gotten rid of our brackets. So we have negative 3 plus or minus square root 29 over 3. So we've got two solutions here. One of them is x equals negative 3 plus root 29 over 3. The other solution is x equals minus 3 minus 29 over 3. So if we converted these to decimals and we solve for the x-intercepts on our graphing calculator, we would get these two values.